What's up, everybody? It's TC, back with another one. Today has been kind of hectic. I was out of town, drove back this morning. So I just got back into town about an hour ago, probably. Not even, honestly. I had to go home, unpack some stuff. Return to rent a car, got back into my car now. And so I got to run a few errands. First stop, I got to get some food first. I'm starving. Haven't eaten nothing today. And it's almost 2 o'clock. So I got to do that first. I got a showing of a house in 15 minutes. So, yeah, I'm a little crunch for time. And then if y'all can see that box in the back, that's in addition to the car. So I got ordered an exhaust system to go on the car. For those of y'all who don't know, I drive an Alfa Romeo Stelvio 2020. Love my car. It's been everything I could ask for and more. So I'm starting to kind of make it my own a little bit now. So that's the first modification of many that are on the way. I'm in and out of town a lot, so it may not happen as fast as I'd like it to. But we got the exhaust system, step one. I'm going to get it checked out, take a look at it, and see if they can do it. If not, then they'll point me in the direction of somebody who can. So do that today. I told my parents I don't like staying in my parents' crib like that when I'm at home. But I told my parents I would stay with them for my last few days in town. My mom wants me to come back home. I normally rent the Airbnb out while I'm here, but I told them I'll come back and stay with them for a few days. So I'm gonna do that too, move the stuff out. But yeah, most important thing today is this house I'm going to look at. So if y'all watched the last video, y'all saw another house that we were interested in. Kind of dragged our feet a little bit with that one, and somebody ended up putting an offer down on the house. So we just move on to the next one. So we found a handful of good properties since then, and we'll continue to look for more as I try to secure my first one. So it's been fun. It's been a lot of fun trying to hunt these houses down, hunt down good deals, hunt down deals that'll be profitable for myself, my family and stuff, and getting a chance to work with different people in the real estate business. For those of y'all that have thought about getting into real estate, and it just seems like seems like something you don't know how to do or something that you can't do, just do it. But it's opened my eyes to so much more in terms of creating and building wealth and making money in the short and long term. There's a ton of resources out there that'll teach you each and everything you need to know. And I can put all the stuff that I use to learn about the real estate business in the description below. One of the biggest is it's called the BiggerPockets podcast. It's just two guys that have been in the real estate business for years and years and years, just kind of dropping knowledge and teaching those who want to learn about real estate business, teaching them the game. And they make it super simple, super practical, super easy. And it's not as big of a task as it seems like when you just talk about it. So if you're watching this and you thought about getting into real estate, you're thinking about it right now, do it. I think it's been great for me so far. I've learned a lot. I've been able to kind of plan and set myself up for financial freedom, and I'm not even accounting for what I make playing basketball. So I've been pescatarian.
Why?
For a few weeks now. And I'm about to fold, bro. I'm not even gonna hold y'all. I need Chick-fil-A something terrible. I can't get it now because I'm already about to be late for this showing. But it's gonna get got today, and that's for sure. So and lastly, I'm on my phone right now. I thought my camera was in my car, but it's not. It's actually at my crib. So I'm on the phone, at least for the first part of this video, going to see this house. If I can get back to the crib before I gotta go to this car shop and get the camera, I'll do that. I hate being on my phone filming this stuff. But we're gonna make it work regardless. So this is rough. The owner bought this for 45 grand. And is asking way too much for it. It's I'm not even gonna turn on the lights on so y'all can see it. Just know it's bad. Everything here is terrible. So. It's terrible.
Those people over there would probably appreciate it being cleaned up.
Yeah, I'm sure they would.
I believe four bedrooms and 2 baths are for sale.
I do like the size of this garage though. Even though it's listed as a 1-car garage, you can get 2 cars in here.
Size people like that.
Yeah.
And it's got kind of bigger driveway too.
Yeah, you got like a workspace over here. You can have cabinets.
It's got a nice pantry.
Yeah.
So I guess they're not listing as a bedroom maybe. This could be somebody's home office and the bedroom's down there.
Right. And that basement's completely gutted. This is
Have you gone down?
concrete. No, I did. I saw the pictures though.
Did you go in the basement?
Not yet.
Are there floors in down or how is it?
It's just concrete.
That always amazes me how they get so torn up. Like,
I know, that's what I was telling
It seems like they got to try to make it this bad. You know what I'm
Well,
saying?
that's what I was telling you, John, that they used to do a lot of damage on purpose. But I don't know about these people, because this is trash.
Yeah, this is just basement is just good. It's just concrete. There's not even like
walls up? Are there walls up?
no. It's empty.
Did you look at the master bathroom? It does have a master bathroom.
And it is a
This
bedroom.
has no closet, guys.
Yeah,
That's what that one.
I think that's the only one without.
Is that one? No?
Yeah, you see that bathroom?
Yeah.
That's really bad.
This one here. It's terrible.
Cut into this room, put a closet for that room. It wouldn't have to be very big.
Right.
You don't have to have a closet.
Right. Yeah. Yeah, I hadn't even seen these attempted repair lines.
Yeah. Look over here, sometimes I think it's some kind of a tar or something.
Yeah.
Oh, look at this mess. You can still see.
This one kind of like clay or tar or something.
Turn look here, you
Yeah.
see it.
Yeah.
It's
Oh
going
yeah.
up more and more.
So there's pressure against that front wall.
As rusted as it is over here,
Yeah.
though, that makes me
The
think there's
issue with
water
this-
sitting here.
There's not so much, that there's a lot of issue with the foundation, but when people see all of this, they get real nervous.
All right. As y'all see, that house was. Before we got to the basement, it looked like it was like it had like something was there. You know, obviously, again, you're not looking for nice houses. You're looking for like houses with good space and decent neighborhoods that can get you some good return. But that house, once we did get into the basement, and again, my first, y'all could probably hear it. My first first glance at that basement, it looked cool. Like, you know what I'm saying? But once you really get down there, and once we got down there and looked really closer to the walls and kind of read the room a little bit, you could see the rust. We had rusted pipes down there. A lot of rust on the floors. A lot of foundation cracks, which is pretty indicative of that there was a lot of water down there, which obviously in a house that's been left alone for a while is no good. So we're still gonna do our due diligence and get somebody else down there to really do a better assessment on the situation, what's going on in that basement. But from what we can tell right now, this is not one that we would pursue. So we'll continue to search, continue to look for more houses, more property in this area. This is kind of part of the game. So you just got to find one that's right and go from there. So we'll see. I'm sick and tired of being on this phone already. And it's only been 20 minutes, but about to go grab this camera, get the rest of my stuff, get out of there. Then I got to be at the car shop in a little over an hour. So yeah, man, I'm excited to do that. Really, I just bought the exhaust system because my car the way that it sounds right now doesn't do it justice. And I don't want it to sound like I'm not trying to get it to sound like no Lamborghini and no shit like that, because it's not a Lamborghini. But I do want it to sound like it, how it actually performs, which is pretty good. So hopefully we can get that installed. If we can get it installed today, that'd be awesome. But if not, hopefully we can get it done soon. I got to leave town on the 20th, which is 5 days from now. So it'd be dope if I can get it done before then. But if not, I'll just have to wait till I get back to town. So, all right, y'all. So I'm here at Meineke. I'm here at Meineke right now. Just got here, just gave them the car. They're in there taking a look at the exhaust system. Also taking a look at the car. One of the downsides of having an Alfa Romeo is that they're not very popular, so they don't get worked on a lot. A lot of car mechanics, a lot of car shops don't have a lot of experience working with them. So hopefully they can get it done here. He's gonna take a look at it. It should take him a few minutes to see what he's working with. But like I said, hopefully they can figure it out and get this done for me. So keep y'all fingers crossed. I recently bought a puppy, bought a dog. His name is Rocco, R-O-C-C-O. So, and Rocco's a Labradoodle, a Lab and Poodle mix. He will be turning 8 weeks on Monday. And in the state of Missouri, you know, when you get a dog from a breeder, he's got to be 8 weeks old. So on Tuesday, I get a chance to go get him, pick him up, and officially welcome Rocco to the family. So y'all will see that day. It's Friday right now, so we got a few days, but I'm excited to go get him. The breeder lives like an hour and a half away from St. Louis. So it's a little drive, but not too bad. So we'll see. That'll be fun. That'll be the next video, most likely. And then after that, I'm gonna try to get some more videos up. There'll probably be gameplay videos, Call of Duty, Grand Theft Auto, 2K, Madden, a bunch of that stuff, because I'll be away for a while. Those will probably be the videos that'll be up for the next little while. So whatever y'all want to see, like I said, 2K, Madden, Call of Duty, Fortnite, Grand Theft Auto, whatever it is. I'll start doing that and putting those videos out. You got my baby up there lifted right now, so taking a look at it. But like I was saying, get another set of rims on my car, getting the windows tinted a little bit darker. And lastly, I want to get a new steering wheel on my car. And shout out to Tall Guy Car Reviews, Mr. Organic, for giving me this idea. And Carbon-Nastics. I made some dope carbon fiber steering wheels that I seen on Tall Guy and Mr. Organic's videos. And as soon as I saw it, I was like, I gotta get it. I gotta get it for my car. So those two guys are, you know, part of the reason I started YouTubing in the first place. So shout out to them. And Kevin Edwards Jr. Who else? Life with Corey. YouTubing on a budget. But that's a whole nother story. I kind of got sidetracked. But yeah, so I think after that, that'll be the last thing I do. Oh, it's summertime. When the summertime comes back around, I'm getting a wrap on my car. I want to do like a satin black. I feel like it'll look dope. But I'm kind of torn if I want to do a satin black or if I want to go like a crazy color wrap on my car. I kind of want to do something like unique, like something that like nobody sees, you know what I'm saying? So I got time. You know, I'm not going to do that till the summer because I do like the white on my car too, so I want to let that rock for a while. But summertime comes back around, I'm gonna get a wrap on it. Whatever it is, it's gonna be dope. So that's kind of what I got planned for my car right now. Like I said, like I always said, thank y'all. Stay tuned. It's gonna be dope watching this whole thing come together. It's gonna take some time. I can't really upload this stuff as fast and as often as I want to because I'm in and out of town. I'm doing stuff a lot. But whenever, you know what I'm saying, I do some stuff, whenever some stuff changes, y'all gonna see it. All right, y'all, we got it done. About to give it a not so cold start. Here we go. See how she sounds. Oh yeah, that's already much better. sir. Oh yeah, we good. As always, man, I appreciate y'all watching these videos, man. Again, I don't do this for likes or views. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We in the game like EA, you know what I'm talking about? No. Yeah. But I appreciate y'all watching the videos, man. Thank you. Like I said, I don't really do this for likes, or you know what I'm saying, the views, nothing like that. I do this because it's fun to me. You know, I was kind of motivated and inspired to start YouTubing. And it's fun as hell. So that's why I do this. So I appreciate y'all, I guess, following me, you know what I'm saying, and watching the videos. Thank you for subscribing if you choose to do so. Thank you for watching the videos if you choose to do so. Another one's coming up soon to get the puppy. Like I told you about earlier, I'm going to pick Rocco up on Tuesday. But until then, man, keep your head up, stack your bread up, and never get fed up. And I'm out.
We making moves.